Hey everyone, if you've already downloaded DroidCam and now want to install it correctly on your computer and phone, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the complete DroidCam installation process from start to finish, so let's jump in. First, visit the official DroidCam website and download the Windows client for your computer. Then, install the DroidCam app on your Android phone or iPhone from the official App Store. Yeah, using the official downloads helps ensure you get the latest version safely. Once the download finishes, double-click the Setup file. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Follow the installation wizard, accept the license agreement, keep the default settings, and click Install. It only takes a minute or two. After the installation is complete, click Finish to close the Setup wizard. DroidCam will now appear in your Start menu or on your desktop. Go ahead and launch. Now open the DroidCam app on your phone. Allow camera and microphone permissions when prompted. Then make sure your phone and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, or connect them with a USB cable if you prefer a wired connection. Both methods are officially supported. That's it, DroidCam is now fully installed on both your computer and phone. You're ready to connect the devices and start using your phone as a webcam in Zoom, Discord, Microsoft Teams, OBS Studio, and many other applications. Yeah, you're all set. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully installed DroidCam and your devices are ready to connect. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the